Hello students, welcome to Study Door Secure Future. Today we are going to do angle sum property of a triangle. We know that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We have a triangle ABC, in which angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Today we are going to do this property. Now we have already done that linear pair of angle, sum of linear pair of angle is also equal to 180 degree. We know that angle between parallel line, which is alternate angle, is always equal, and angle between parallel line, which is corresponding angles, also equal. We have already done these three properties. First is a linear pair of angles, alternative angle and corresponding angle. Now we are going to do angle sum property. Let's start exercise 6.3. Now we have sum of exercise 6.3. For sum, in figure 6.39, sides QP and RQ of triangle PRQ produce 2 points S and T respectively. In this figure, we can see that triangle PQR, in which RQ is produced to till T and QP is produced to till S. Now we have to given that angle SPR is 135 degree. Angle SPR, it is 135 degree, and angle PQT, that is 110 degree. Then find the angle PRQ. We have to find the angle PRQ. We have to find this angle. Now in solution, we know that TR is a straight line. We know that TR is a straight line. So we know that sum of angle of a linear pair is 180 degree. So sum of angle TQP, we know that sum of angle TQP plus angle PQR plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. We know angle TPQ, जहाँ TQP or PQT, which both are the same. This is 110 plus angle PQR is equal to 180. We know angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Now same as SQ is a straight line. Now SQ is a straight line. So sum of angle SPR plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. Now value of SPR is equal to 135 degree plus angle, we have to find out the RPQ is equal to 180 degree. Now angle RPQ is equal to 180 minus 135, that. So students, we get angle RPQ is equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to 45 degree. Now we have got our two angles, that is PQR. PQR is which one? PQR, we got this is 70 degree, and RPQ. RPQ is equal to RPQ, which is 45 degree. Now in triangle PQR, we have two angles, that is 70 and 45, or now we can find out the third angle very easily. Now in triangle PQR, we know that sum of all angles is 180 degree. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. We have find out that angle P is 45 degree, angle Q is 70 degree, and angle R we have to find out it. So angle R is equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree minus 70 degree. Sum of these two angles is minus 115. So 180 minus 150 is equal to 65 degree. So we find out that angle PRQ is equal to 65 degree. That is our answer. Now students, we have second sum, that is in figure 6.40, angle x is equal to 62 degree and angle xyz is equal to 54 degree. If YU and ZU are the bisectors of angle XYZ, YU is bisector of angle XYZ and OZ is bisector of angle XZY, then we have to find out angle OZY. We have to find this angle and angle YOZ, that angle. Now first of all, we know that in a triangle angle sum property is 180 degree. It means angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. So students, we will write it in triangle XYZ. We know that angle x plus angle y plus angle z, that is equal to 180. Now angle x is equal to 62 degree, angle y is equal to 54 degree, and we have to find out angle z and 180 degree. Students, sum of these two angles 62 plus 54 is 116 plus angle z is equal to 180. So angle z will be 180 minus 116, that is 64 degree. We find that angle z is equal to 64 degree. This whole angle is 64 degree. Now we have to find out angle z. Now we know that OZ is bisector of this angle. OZ is bisector of angle XZY. So this will be half from full angle. It is a bisector, so angle this way, it bisect angle 64 into 2 equal parts. So angle Z will be equal to 64 by 2, that is equal to 32 degree. So angle OZY is, so students, we find that angle OZY is equal to 64 by 2, that is equal to 32 degree. Now we have to find that our this angle is equal to 32 degree. Similarly, OY is bisector of angle Y. OY is, so we can write OY is bisector of angle XYZ. So angle OYZ will be half the angle XYZ. So angle XYZ by 2, that is equal to 54 by 2, that is equal to 27 degree. Now students, we have find out the two angles of a triangle, that is OYZ. We have to find out one angle is 27, second is 32. Now we have to find out the third angle of the triangle. Now so in triangle OYZ, angle Y plus angle O plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to write only half angle, that is Y angle is 27 degree. We have to find out the angle O. Now we have to find out the angle Z. Angle Z is 32 degree, 180 degree. So angle O will be 180 minus 27 minus 32 degree. 27 minus 32 is equal to 59. 180 minus 59, that is equal to 121 degree. So students, we have to find this sum by the angle sum property. So for third sum is in figure 6.41, if AB is parallel to DE and angle BAC is equal to 35 degree, angle BAC, that is 35 degree, and angle CDE is equal to CDE, that is 53 degree. Find the angle DCE. We have to find out this angle. Now we know that in a parallel lines there are some kind of angles. Here that is alternate angle, corresponding angles. Now look at this picture. We have here two lines are parallel, that is AB is parallel to DE. So we find that angle A is equal to angle E, which are alternate angles. So if angle A is 35 degree, then angle E will be 35 degree. Now we will write that line AB is parallel to DE. So angle BAE will be equal to angle CED. So both angle will be equal to 35 degree, because this angle is 35 degree, so CED will be 35 degree. Now we have to find out the angle E is 35 degree. This triangle, angle CDE. In triangle CDE, we have two angles, that is 53 and 35. We have to find out the angle C. So now write, in triangle DCE, angle D plus angle C plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Angle D is 53 degree plus angle C, we have to find out angle C. Angle E is 35 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle C will be 180. 35 goes to second side, 35 minus 53, that is 180 degree minus 88. 180 minus 88 is equal to 92 degrees. So we find that angle DCE, the full name of C is DCE, is equal to 92 degree. That is our answer of this question. So students, today you have to done 3 sums of exercise 6.3, and now you have to done next sums. If you have any problem, then you can ask me, and like the video. Thank you.